Hello friend, today our topic is how to remove space in text using Microsoft Excel. For example, we will write here an example name John Smith. We can do it as writing, but if we have huge data, then we should use a formula of substitute. We will write is equal substitute bracket start and click on text that we want to change or remove space from that. Which text we want to remove on this space. We will use rotation mark space, rotation mark close, and now the new text we want to add in it, rotation mark, no space, and once again close rotation mark and close the bracket. Now you can see that the space between John Smith is finished. So by this way we can get more data